Hi children, welcome back to our English online class and a warm good morning to one and all. How are you feeling today? Hope all are fit and fine at your home. We have completed our first lesson and today I want to share with you more about nouns. Nouns we have discussed in our first class. Do you remember that? What is a noun? Noun is a name of place, person, animal or thing. That is noun. All the names are nouns. Okay, today we are going to learn more about nouns. Nouns are different types. Common nouns, proper nouns, abstract nouns, collective nouns and different types of nouns are there. But in the second standard, we are concentrating only two types. Which are they? First one is common noun and second one is proper noun. First one common noun and second one proper noun. What is a common noun? Common, it is general. Okay, for example, boy. Many boys are there. Okay, but each boy has a particular name. For example, boy. Ali. Ali is a boy. So, we can say boy is a common noun and Ali is a proper noun. Okay? A noun has a proper name or particular name or special name, that is proper noun. Okay. Yeah. And who am I? I am your teacher. Teacher. Teacher is a common noun. Teacher. Many teachers are for you. Isn't it? Lakshmi Miss, Sunny the teacher or Tasneem teacher. Many teachers are there. But if we call a teacher a special name, what is my name? It's Amira. Amira. That is the proper noun. So, general name teacher, many teachers are there, many boys are there. Each boy and teacher has a special name. Ali, it is a special name for boy. And Amira, it's a special name for teacher. And all of you have mothers and fathers. Mother is a common noun. Mother. Mother. Mother is a common, general. We all have mothers. But each mother has a special name. For example, Jasla. It's a particular name. It's a special name. So, it is proper noun. Okay. Then, another example. Bat. We have learned in our class bat. Bat. What is the name of bat? What is the name of bat? Bolu. Bolu the bat. So, Bolu is proper noun and bat is the common noun. Understood? Is it clear now? Now, another one, another example. Building. It's a place, isn't it? Building. Then can you say any one name of a building? Yeah, it is a famous building, which is that Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal. Have you heard? Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal. It's a special name for a building. So that general name is building, common name it is. Many buildings are there. But as if we call a special name for a particular building, it is proper noun. Taj Mahal. And where do we live? Which is our country? Country is a common noun. Many countries are there, but our country is India. India is a proper noun and country is common noun. Which is our city? City is a place. City. Which is our city? Malappuram. Malappuram is a proper noun and city is common noun. Okay, and we have to listen one thing. All the common nouns are starting with small letter. We don't want to use capital letter for common noun. But see, A. And here capital. Here capital. J. It is capital. B. Capital. T. Capital. Why? Because we have to start with capital letter for a proper noun. Understood? Is it clear? Children, to make the topic very clear, let us have a look at common nouns and proper nouns. All nouns have a common name and also that some nouns have a special name. Common nouns. We use a common noun for any person, a place, a thing, an animal. It begins with a small letter. Okay? It begins with a small letter. Second one, proper nouns. A proper noun is a special name for a person, a place, a thing, an animal. It always begins with a capital letter. Proper nouns begin with a capital letter. For example, here, this is a girl. Her name is Hanuna. In the first sentence, girl is a common noun. What is the girl's name? Hanuna. Hanuna is a proper noun. It is a special noun. Second one, this is a boy. His name is Navtej. So, boy is common noun and what is the boy's name? Navtej. Navtej is a proper noun. Okay, is it clear, children? Now listen the next one. This is a dog, animal. Dog is a common noun. And what is the special name for this dog? Its name is Jack. Jack is here proper noun. Dog is common, Jack is proper noun. Okay, next one is, this is our school. School is a place. Okay, school is a common noun. The name of our school is Vidyanagar Public School. It's a special name. Okay, Vidyanagar Public School is a proper noun. School is a common noun. Vidyanagar Public School is a proper noun. Next one is, this is a car. Car is a thing. And what is the special name for car? This is Honda City. Honda City is a proper noun. And car is common. Honda City is proper noun. I hope you understood it very clearly. Now, let us have a look at singular noun and plural noun. Singular noun and plural noun. You already have learned singular and plural. Singular means only one. Plural means more than one, many. Okay, we use singular noun to name a person or one place, one thing, one animal. Example, lamb. Lamb means only one. Okay, we add s to make a plural noun. Lambs. S. Okay, now it is plural noun. We use plural noun to name many people, many places, many animals or many things. Just we want to add s with a singular noun to get plural noun. Okay, and here girl. Girl is a singular noun and if we add s with girl, girls, we get plural noun. Sometimes we have to add es with a plural noun. If the singular noun ends with sh, x, s, these letters. S, x, sh. If the singular nouns are ending with these letters, we have to add es to get plural noun. Now listen the example. Bus, 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 bus. It ends with s. So what we have to do? Can we add only s? No, that is wrong. So we have to add es. Buses. To get plural noun, we have to add es. Okay. And another example. Fox. It's ending with x. So what we have to add? Es. We can't add foxes. Okay? Es. We can't add only s. We have to add es to get plural noun. Bus, buses, fox, foxes. Fox is singular noun and foxes plural noun. And for example, this one, brush. Brush. It is sh, so we have to add es. It's a thing. Brushes. Okay? Students, we have completed common nouns and proper nouns. Now do this exercise. Match the common nouns and the proper nouns to the correct pictures. Here are few common nouns and this side some proper nouns. You match with the common nouns with the correct proper nouns. Okay, one has been done for you, which is that lamp. Lamp. Lamp is a common noun. And which is the proper noun? Tingu. Tingu is the proper noun. Our next one is cricket. Then girl, building and park. Okay, I hope you can do yourselves without anyone's help. Okay, children? Children, see here, it's another work for you. Circle the proper nouns and underline the common nouns in these sentences. Here are 5 sentences. What you have to do? Circle the proper nouns and underline the common nouns. Here one has been done for you. What is that? Aisha loves to eat vegetables. Aisha. It's a particular name for a girl. So that is proper noun. It already circled here. And which is the common noun? Vegetables. That is common. So underlined here. Okay. And here what will come? Second one. Mumbai is a big city. Which is the proper noun in this sentence? Yes, of course it is Mumbai. Okay, Mumbai. And which is the common noun in this sentence? It is city. Okay. And third one, Sona, the elephant was hungry. Sona, the elephant. Sona. Sona is a proper noun. It's the name of elephant. So you have to circle it. And elephant, it's a common name for an animal. So you underline it. Okay, next one. I use Goodness toothpaste. Okay. Then Goodness. Here Goodness is the proper noun. That is the toothpaste name. Then toothpaste is common noun. And fifth one, Ravi has a dog called Timmy. Ravi has a dog called Timmy. 2 proper nouns are here. 2 names are here. One, Ravi. Circle it, Ravi. And another one, Timmy. It is the dog's name. Okay, and dog is the common noun. Okay, children. Now look at these words: lamb, animal. The words in bold are singular nouns. We use a singular noun to name one person, one place, one thing, or one animal. We use plural nouns when there is more than one. Okay? We add s to a singular noun to make it a plural noun. This is all we have discussed. Okay? Lamb, lambs, boy, boys. We add es. When we add es, if the singular noun ends in s, x, z, ch or sh. For example, fox, foxes. End with x, so we have to add es. For some nouns which end with y, we write the plural by changing y to ies. Story, stories. Okay, now come to this work. Change these singular nouns to plural nouns by adding s, es or ies. Okay. First one already done, that is lion. So we have to add only s, lions. Now second one is baby. So what we have to add here, in this baby singular noun is ending with y. So we have to add ies instead of y. So what we want to write here, babies. B A B I E S. Okay. Now come to third one, box. Box ending with x. So what we have to add there, es. Okay. B O X Yes, boxes. Fourth one, toy. It is ending with y, but we don't want to add ies. Only it is toys. Toys. Okay? Like this, you complete this all works. Okay? Dish, dishes. So, the last letters are sh. So, you have to add es. And here ending with ch. So, you have to add es. Beaches. Fairy. Ending with y. So, instead of y, you have to add ies. Bus. Ending with s, you have to write there es. Buses. Match. Matches. Ch. So, yes, you want to add with plural noun. And tray. Trays. No need to add ies, only s. Trays. Okay. So, complete this one. Now, children, listen this work. It is very easy one. Write the names of the young ones of these animals. Choose the correct words from the box. Here is the help box, which are the words kid, duckling, lamb, calf, kitten. These all are the babies of animals. What you have to do? You have to match or write the correct babies, correct words of babies in the given space. Okay, first one has been done for you. What is that? Sheep. Sheep is the animal, and what we call the baby sheep? Lamb. Lamb. Our Tingu is a lamb. Okay, now second one, goat. Goat. Which is the baby of goat? Yes, it is kid. So write here kid. Okay, K-I-D, kid. Okay, like this you complete it. Okay, and what is this one? Third one, cat. Everyone knows that. Which is the baby of cat? It is kitten. So just for your help, I am writing here 3. That this one you copy in your textbook here. Okay, and fourth one is duck. duck. Which is the baby of duck? It is duckling. Okay, fourth one is duckling. And the fifth one, cow. Do you know which is the baby cow? Yeah, it is calf. Number 5 is calf. So children, you complete this work. Okay, thank you my dears. Bye.